Namaskarams everybody. A very good afternoon to all of you. I'd like to extend a very warm welcome to every one of you here to Carnatic Chamber Concerts July monthly event. This July monthly event is a special event in the sense that this event is going to be featuring all of our CCC children who are in college. Everyone in the audience is a special guest for our children and for CCC. However, we have some special people joining us today. Dr. Sahana Mahal, a physician and gerontologist, along with her friend and guest, Dr. Bhairavan Vishwanathan and Srimati Lakshmi. They are joining us, and thank you so much for being here to encourage all our budding artists. As you all know, we have had students graduate from CCC each year since CCC's inception, and we have the largest batch of students going off to college this fall. This year's graduating batch is very special to us because many of the children graduating this year have been part of CCC from day one, since their elementary school days. And they've shared a very special bond with us because of their long-standing association with CCC. One of our resident musicians, Shri Gopi Lakshmi Narayanan, seeded the thought for today's show during December of last year, saying that he wanted to do a special segment for 10 to 15 minutes in the June CCC event for all the graduating seniors. There were 17 of them graduating this year, just FYI. I expanded on his thought a little bit with support from another willing and senior musician, resident musician, Shri Kanchari, who was offering to guide them very, very happily. And I would like to identify those two musicians in case you don't know who they are. Vidwan Shri Kanchari and Vidwan Shri Gopi Lakshmi Narayanan. We are so indebted to you both for offering your valuable time in training these students and making today's show possible. Coming back to who is performing today, I reached out to all the kids who have graduated from high school and off to college in the past 7.5 years. And the ones performing today are the ones who were available and willing and interested to perform. So we have 21 of those alumni students participating in today's show. The overall agenda we have 7 segments, 2 instrumental ensembles, and rest are vocal segments. You'll hear such a diverse set of ragams during this 2.5-hour, 3-hour show in varied slot durations from 10 to 20 minutes, and I am sure it's going to be an enjoyable evening. We're starting off with the vocal performance by 7 of our participants. Let me introduce them to you in the order of their seating. Shruti Aravindan, Vaidehi Srinivas, Nitin Sriram, Dev Karya, Ashwin Shikha, Sandhya Chari, and Soundarya Jairam. Please give them a warm round of applause to start the program.
समस्तलोकशङ्करं निरस्य दैत्यकुञ्जरं धरे